The liquid test is gonna start soon, guys. We're gonna wait.
Saturday night,
okay?
Mostly clear. Lows in the mid-20s. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s.
Yes, sorry how loud I'm talking.
At 11 a.m. in Omaha, it was sunny. The temperature was 37 degrees, the dew point 15, and the relative humidity 40%. The wind was out at 15 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 28. The pressure was 27.9 centimeters and falling. Across eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, it was sunny.
When you have a
It was 42 at
Lincoln,
38 at Offutt Air Force Base, 39 at Millard, 41 at Fremont, and 45 at Columbus. Blair Airport reported 39, Sakima reported 41, Nebraska City reported 38, Plattsmouth reported 38, and Red Oak, Iowa reported 37. Here are some observations from across the region. Skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny.
Almost there.
It was 44 in Grand Island, 39 at Norfolk, 31 at Sioux Falls, 37 at Sioux City, and 30 at Des Moines. Kansas City reported 40, Concordia, Kansas reported 44, Norfolk reported 37, Denver reported 66,
Yeah, let's do it, guys.
reported 43. Once again, at 11 a.m. in Omaha, it was 37 degrees under sunny skies. The Omaha Metropolitan Area Pollutant Standards Index for today is 30, which represents good air quality with ozone the main pollutant. The forecast for Thursday is 31, considered good air quality with ozone the primary pollutant. Air pollution forecasts are provided by the Douglas County Health Department. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of southwest Iowa, west central Iowa, east central Nebraska, northeast Nebraska, and southeast Nebraska. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. The probability for widespread hazardous weather is low. Spotter information. Spotter activation will not be needed. This is NOAA All Hazards radio station KH61 in Omaha, Nebraska. The current time is 11:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Now for...
Yes! Yes, yes. It's gonna get loud. The person who has made a jump scare. It gave me a jump scare, dude. Whew. That scared me. Uh-oh. Careful.
This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The receiving audio signals and alarm tones are a test of the NOAA All Hazards radio public warning alarm system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of impending hazards. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there's a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you to the emergency broadcast is about to begin. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert system tones and alarm tones are used by weather warnings and emergency messages from 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties in northeast Kansas, and Holt and Atchison counties in northwest Missouri.
That's weird. Usually it's one of the flashing lights, like,